Now let's see the next 5 questions. So first one is here. After addition of Gomorian constants in fractional cut method, whether it be of MIPP, mixed integer programming problem, or AIPP, or integer programming problem, which method is used for improved optimum solution, that is for optimum basic feasible solution? So big M method, simplex method, dual simplex method, or none of these? So the correct answer is dual simplex method. Now moving on. If the integer restricted variables have fractional values in mixed integer programming problem, then choose among the basic variables which are restricted. Which one to choose means, if the integer restricted variables x1, x2 or x3 is greater than or equals to 0, and suppose if x2 and x3 are to be shown integers which are to be restricted as integers, then the fractional values, which among them must be considered? Okay, this is the question. So lowest fraction value, repeated fraction value, largest fraction value, or smallest fraction value? So the correct answer is largest fractional value. For this we have to consider algorithm of fractional cut method. Now the next one. Integer programming is of utmost importance in business and industry, counting, mountaineering, or cycling? This is the easy one, and we have the answer: business and industry. Next, so the fun figure over here is seen, which shows feasible region and some points and some lines of equations, inequalities. So if beside is a solution to a sub problem of a problem with integer solution x1 equal to 4 and x2 equals to 3, then identify the method: fractional cut method, graphical bound method, branch and bound method, and bound cut method. So this is branch and bound method. Branch and bound method. Next, what is the concept behind branch and bound method? To decide or to divide problem graphically, to bifurcate feasible solution space into bigger parts, to evenly divide solution space, or to divide entire solution space into smaller parts? So the answer is to divide entire solution space into smaller parts called sub problems. So these all were the 10 MCQs which I think are to be considered from unit 1 according to my point of view. So thanks for watching.